Meralco versus San Miguel. This is our match hype. Nothing gets more crucial than this. One win away from its first ever title in the PBA. Yan ang estado ng Meralco Bolts ngayon matapos patumbahin ang defending champion San Miguel Beermen 92-88 sa Game 5 ng Philippine Cup Finals noong Friday, June 14. Si Chris Jusam pa rin ang tumayong endgame hero ng Bolts habang bumawi naman from offensive struggles in the last 3 matches si Alain Maliksi. Pareho silang nagtala ng 22 points. Pilit namang binuhat ni Junmar Fajardo ang Beermen with his 38 points and 18 rebounds. Pero the 7-time MVP was not able to get enough help from his teammates. Jusam canned 2 free throws with just 6 seconds left in the match. Pinagpapracticean niya daw talaga yan, leading to this perfect 10 of 10 from the stripe in Game 5. Pero wala pang magsasaya sa team na to. Yan ay ayon kay Maliksi. What's to be happy about? Sabi yan ni Alain noong post-game press conference. Hindi namin basta-basta ibibigay ang tropeyo. Yan naman ang sabi ng The Kraken. Meralco holds a 3-2 advantage in a best-of-7 finale for the first time in franchise history. First ever crown na rin kaya ang makuha nila mamaya? Or one more game pa ba para sa San Miguel? Abangan ang resulta ng Game 6 sa Smart Araneta Coliseum at 6:15 p.m. For more info about this match hype, visit onesports.ph.